The Jaja Foundation, in collaboration with Jacobi Emergency Medicine Department, the University of the West Indies, and the Kingston Public Hospital, will host the 13th staging of the annual Emergency Ultrasound and Critical Care Conference on Sunday, January 24, 2021. Participate in this virtual Zoom conference as physicians from these three multi-centers share experiences and approaches utilizing point-of-care ultrasound to save the lives of many. Knowledge is key. Learn the latest in clinical management utilizing ultrasound. This conference will be held on January 24, 2021 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. and will be streamed live on our YouTube channel and our Facebook page at Jaja Foundation. Support the Jaja Foundation to carry out these and other initiatives to improve the lives of the underserved in Jamaica. Go to the Donate tab at www.jajafoundation.org or via PayPal. For more information, email us at info@jajafoundation.org or call 917-531-3699 in the US or 876-822-4574 in Jamaica. Support the Jaja Foundation. Jamaicans abroad, helping Jamaicans at home.